Hello friends, welcome to everyone. Today in this video we will learn how to make the 2D isometric drawing in AutoCAD. Here we will draw this simple 2D isometric figure according to the dimensions. So let's start to our drawing. So before starting the isometric drawing in AutoCAD, we have to type the command snap, S-N-A-P, then press enter. Then choose the sub command style or type it, and after that press enter. And now you have to again choose the sub command isometric by click on this text. Then type the value of vertical spacing. Vertical spacing is the grid distance of one unit according to the x or y axis. Here we take the vertical spacing is 0.0010. You take any suitable distance, but we always try to take less vertical space of grid to move the cursor smoothly on the drawing area. Okay, so here we take the vertical space is 0.0010, and after that press enter. Now you will notice that this will cause the look change of cursor or crosshair, and this is called the isoplane left. Now we will draw anything on the left isoplane, for that it will be clear to us. And before it we have to press function key F8 to ortho mode on. So this is the drawing on left isoplane. Now we will change the isoplane top or right by pressing the function key F5. Here we see that the cursor is changed from isoplane left to isoplane top by pressing the function key F5. Now we will draw on top isoplane. Now we will again press the F5, and the isoplane will be changed from isoplane top to isoplane right, and we will draw on the right isoplane. So this is our final isometric drawing, and one thing is clear, that we have to do isometric drawing by going to each plane and changing the plane by press F5. Now we will go to the line command by type L enter, and we will draw a line from the midpoint to midpoint. Here one thing we have to keep in mind, that to draw any circular part we have to always go to the ellipse command. And from there we have to choose the sub command isocircle. Then specify the center point of isocircle, and then change the plane isoplane top by pressing F5. Now specify the radius of isocircle. Here we type 70 for radius and then press enter. Mind it, this circle is not an ellipse, it is an isocircle. Again we will go to the line command to draw the height of the cylinder. Then we will go to the copy command by CO enter, and then we will select the object to copy and then specify the base point, and after that we will select the second displacement point. Now again we will go to the line command and draw the line from quadrant to quadrant to make the cylindrical shape. Then we will go to the trim command to erase the hidden part. And so for this we will type T, double enter, and then select object to trim. Then press enter to escape from the trim command. Then we will erase the all unnecessary line by using erase command. So this is our isometric drawing. Now we will try to give the dimension on the isometric drawing. One thing we have to keep in mind that in an isometric drawing we always use the align dimensions. So you may choose it from the dimensions menu bar, or you may type the command dim alley and then press enter. Select the first point and second point and then third click. Repeat this align system dimension process for where we want to give the align dimensions. Now we have to edit this type of dimensions. So for this we use the command dim edit, and the shortcut is dim ed, DIMED, and then press enter. Then choose the sub command oblique. Then select the dimensions to edit and then press enter. Now we need to input the value of oblique angle, or just select the 2 points of this particular lines to parallel the extension line of dimensions with these particular lines. Otherwise you may type 30 enter for the oblique angle 30 degree. To change the oblique angle of the extension line of dimensions, you just follow this same method. To give the dimensions of any circular portion, we have to use the command leader, and the shortcut is lead, LED, and then press enter. Then specify the leader start point. You just click on the circular part and then specify the second point, and then third point, and then press enter. Now you type the text what you want to write. Here I want to write that dia is 140. So for this I'll type % C 140 and then press enter. % C for the symbol of dia phi. Then it have option for the next line, or if you don't have any next line, just press enter. So this is our 2D isometric drawing with dimensions, and thanks to everyone for watching this video.